All right, everyone, fasten your seatbelts because a massive storm is hitting the crypto market, and this time, it's not coming from a chart pattern or an Elon Musk tweet. It's coming straight from the White House. Imagine telling someone a few years ago that Donald Trump would be the one waving the Bitcoin flag. You probably wouldn't believe it, right? But here we are. President Trump has just made a move that has sent shockwaves through the crypto world and left SEC officials reaching for a bottle of aspirin. He hasn't just invited crypto to the table, he's invited the founding fathers of the industry to run the show. The big reveal, meet the kings. Now you're probably wondering, who are these guys? They aren't just random influencers telling you to buy the dip on a meme coin. Trump has officially appointed two absolute industry giants to his Council of Advisors on Science and Technology. First up, we have Mark Andreessen, the man who basically built the internet's first browser, Netscape, back when most of us were still figuring out how to use a landline. Then we have Fred Ehrsam, the co-founder of Coinbase. Basically, Trump skipped the interns and went straight to the people who actually know how the blockchain works, rather than politicians who still think Bitcoin is a physical coin you dig up in a backyard. Think about how hilarious this actually is. Usually, government advisors are people who have to call their grandkids just to figure out how to copy-paste or attach a PDF to an email. But now, imagine a White House meeting where Mark Andreessen is talking about Ethereum's Layer 2 scalability, and Trump responds with, "It's gonna be huge! We're gonna build a great firewall on the blockchain, a beautiful firewall, and we're gonna make the hackers pay for it." Meanwhile, Fred Ehrsam is probably sitting there wondering how to move the entire US Treasury into a cold wallet. It sounds like a movie script, but it's actually happening. But jokes aside, this is a massive win for the industry. When you have people at the highest level of government who actually understand the technology, those shady and confusing rules start to disappear. This means the US is shifting from trying to ban or stifle crypto to actually regulating it and using it to their advantage. Investors are seeing this as a giant green flag. It sends a signal that the era of crypto being treated like a back alley business is over, and the era of it being as common as buying a pizza with Satoshis is officially beginning. At the end of the day, one thing is certain: you can't stop crypto anymore. If the President of the United States is hiring advisors who basically have laser eyes, then the next stop is definitely the moon. While the SEC is probably still dusting off their old law books from the 1930s, Trump's crypto avengers are busy rewriting the future. Now we just wait to see how high Bitcoin jumps the moment the first crypto-friendly law is signed on that resolute desk. So what do you think? Is Trump really going to make crypto mainstream, or is this just a brilliant political play? Drop your predictions in the comments below. And if you want the freshest crypto news with a side of humor, make sure to hit that follow button. Peace out.